Welcome back to my channel. This is Dave and injection molding and more. I just wanted to go over a little bit of what I've done in the last 30 years. I graduated high school out in Oklahoma. Started off, I did die casting for 6 years. I worked with my dad at Apex Die Casting in Troy, Ohio. Left there, got into mom and pop's place where they done sorry, my company radio is going off. Did stuff for like Honda four-wheelers, stuff like that. Got out of that, got into Parker Hannifin, which is actually a really big hydraulic company. Made stuff for them. I worked there probably about 7 years before they closed that plant in Vandalia, Ohio. They ended up moving the company to different parts of the United States. I had an opportunity then to leave and go with that company to another company. I decided not to. Me and my wife and kids moved down to South Carolina, where I took a job working for a company making wire harnesses. Going through all this, I worked for another company called Roslyn Automotive, and then worked for a couple other tier 1 and tier 2 companies that are actually automotive. So actually I've been in the automotive industry for the last, I'd say, 20 years, either tier 1 or tier 2. Did this for many years. You know how the automotive industry is. It goes up, down. So a lot of stress, a lot of headache. Did brand new samples, new runs, everything. Dealt with customers, went overseas, you name it. Anything that you could do, I've done it in plastics, more or less. Now I work for a company called Ply Jim. They're the first company I've ever worked for that does vinyl siding, gable vents, shutters, you name it. So I just wanted to go over a little bit about what I've done in my past and what I am actually doing right now. This channel, actually, I wanted to try to do was to go over like certain things like, flash, short shots, jetting, warp, burns, surface delamination, just anything that could help out anybody that's in injection molding. I do have blow molding background and a little bit of extrusion background, but my main thing that I've done for the last 30 years has been actually injection molding. That's the main thing. Let me show you a couple things. So this is my office here. I've gotten some different certificates over the year. I went to Edison Community College for adult education, SPC training. I got Master Molder 1 certificate from RJG. And then if you come over here, I have, the Paul Center Interactive, Nisi School. I got certificates for adult leadership, maintenance, Millicron. Just a bunch of stuff, to go over. You can see my whiteboard behind me here. There's a lot of stuff on there that I go over all the time. My best trait that I have actually is I love to train people. I love to give them input that I have. A lot of the stuff that I've learned is hands-on training, and sometimes going through books and stuff, just being able to look at stuff and, go over it and try it out. And then different types of materials. I've probably messed with anywhere between 10 to probably 30 different types of material, all the way up to peak material, which you melt at 700 degrees, all the way down to the easiest, which is polypropylene. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. You subscribe, like everything on this channel. Give me some feedback on what you guys would like to see. Comment down below on what you'd like to see first. I thought about just doing like a whole series on flash, what you can do to fix flash. If you came up to a press that's been running all day and then all of a sudden you have flash, what to look for. Just let me know what you guys think. I appreciate the support. So please like, share, and subscribe. Peace.